In this video, I'm going to be doing an ENAILCOUTURE haul. So I posted a poll and ENAILCOUTURE won, but I will be doing AliExpress next. But let's get into the haul. Also, I just woke up, so the energy is coming, it's on its way. So the first things were these files. I got the 100 and 180 grit, then I got the 80 grit. I love both of those files because they are pretty sturdy, and my favorite is the 80 grit. Next, I had to get some of this cooking gel. I had seen this on Sondra's sparkly sets and I knew I had to have it. I also got a few glitters. I'm not really into glitter that much, but I did want to pick some up so I can mix it into my cooking gel. The mixes he had on his website were all pretty nice, so I struggled when it came to picking what I wanted. I will get some more in the future though. These mixes are $2.99 each. When I had got these, there was a promo code. I think it was 25% off at the time. At the moment, they have 30% off of all the gels. Hopefully by the time I post this, that sale is still going. Next, I got a whole bunch of polishes. When I'm picking polishes on this website, I feel like I don't do a very good job of it. I just kind of end up buying the same things. However, the mission was to find blues because I'm looking for some really nice blues for my birthday set. So I figured I'd go here for it. And I think I ended up finding some nice blues. I got the shiny gel top coat, so I was stuck between that and the Wonder gel. So I messaged Conjure Up Nails and Sondra Sparkly Sets, and they both said the shiny gel, so I went with that. This color here is the Charming Bomb gel polish, and it's in the color 157. Here I'm just showing how the bottle looks. I think ENAILCOUTURE wins as far as gel polish bottle designs, unless there's another brand that I'm not familiar with that is also killing it, but these definitely stick out on my shelf. For this color, I thought it would be one coat coverage, but once I cured it, there were shearer spots. 2 coats is all you need, and you could possibly go for a third. I thought I recorded me applying the second coat, but I couldn't find the footage anywhere, but I do show that swatch stick at the end. Next is another Charming Bomb gel polish, and this one's a bit of a weird one. This one seems to change colors at different angles, so I'm going to show it in a few seconds or so, but at first I thought it was one of those heat changing ones, so I put it in some hot water, nothing happened. I put it in some icy water, nothing happened. So I said, does this just change at different angles? I couldn't really make sense of it. If someone knows what type of polish this is, let me know, because the day I was filming this, I was really trying to make sense of it. I even got my phone and started recording it just to see how my phone would pick it up, and my phone was picking it up the same way my camera was. I genuinely was lost. When I did the third coat, it was more purpley, but once I would move it around, it would still show up as that grayish black color. Then I genuinely was like, I need to figure out what this is. So I would hold it up to my light. This is shot on my phone. I'd hold it up to the light and the color just completely disappears. So at this point I said, it's not me, but I am trying to figure out why that happens. I got this Bonbon gel, and it's from the Heavy Metal collection. This one is such a pretty blue. It is on the shearer side, so you might need 2 or 3 coats. I did 3 coats. So in my last video, I had said something about not being able to see the swatches very clearly on their website, and some of you recommended that I watch his lives. I still have not done that. What I now do is, if I want to make a purchase from them, I watch Femi Beauty's ENAILCOUTURE videos, and she does a great job of showing everything, and her ENC hauls always have so much stuff, so it's almost like window shopping. Other times I just check Max's Instagram because the pictures on his IG are so much more clearer than the pictures on the website, but for the most part I will check out Femi Beauty first before I go onto Max's page. Next, I got an ombre gel, and this one is from the I'm Pussycat Neon Glitter collection. This is one I found from Femi Beauty some time ago. I wanted to order it last time, but I couldn't. It only would let me buy the whole collection, and I didn't want that. I just wanted the one, but now you can buy them one at a time. So this ombre gel was pretty thin. I ended up doing 3 coats, but I felt like that wasn't enough. If I do use this for a set, I might do 4 coats, maybe even 5. this is how the third coat looks. Like I said, I'd probably apply another one, but I didn't want it to be too long of a video, so I didn't want to just show me applying all those coats. Next, I decided to test out the top coat just to see how it would look. This top coat reminds me of Born Pretty's top coat and Rosalind's top coat. Those are probably two of my favorite because the shine is unreal. Unfortunately, you can't really see it on this one. I shouldn't have swatched it on this one, but I will show again at the end. Now onto the acrylics. These weren't labeled, there was no label on the container, so I made some labels for them. I mean, I didn't really have to, I can see them and know which one is which, but I had just gotten my label maker the same day that this package arrived, so I think I just wanted to use it. I got 3 of the small ones because I'd never tried their acrylic before, so I figured I'd just start small. The 3 that I got were glitter ones. I probably should have started with like a cover pink or something basic, but I liked how these were looking, so I got them. I also got the cotton candy monomer. My first impression when opening this is, it's not that strong. Second impression was that I don't get the cotton candy smell. I mean, if you sniff it enough, you'll get it. It's so faint, but I'm not really worried about that. I'm just glad that it wasn't strong. If you've worked with Mia Secret's monomer, you can withstand any smell on this planet. So any other monomer that you work with will always, I think, just be not so bad because I think that one is the strongest. For what it's worth, I will add that the day I used these, I forgot to open my window, and when I was done, I could only smell monomer in my nail room and nowhere else in the house. Before I start swatching, quick disclaimer. So I was having issues swatching 24K and Frozen. Not quite sure what the issue is. Well, I do know the issue. It was me because I watched other people swatch them and they had no issues. I don't know if my house was too hot. I don't know if it's my technique. When picking them up, no matter how much monomer I had on my brush, I would still have dry spots on the other side of the bead. But I don't believe it's the fault of the acrylic. It's just me. I also swatched them into a swatch stick so you could see how it is on a nail. And you can see the dry spots that I was referring to in the swatch stick. The last part of this video will be cooking with the cooking gels. One thing I didn't particularly like is that my bottle was half empty, which is such a shame. I don't think I will repurchase it though because it was $15 or around that price. The consistency of it is like a top coat mixed into builder gel. It's very loose and easy to work with. I honestly think I might be able to make something myself that resembles it, but if not, I might just have to get it again. I only showed the mixing of one glitter because I didn't want the video to be too long, but I just did the same thing for the rest of the glitters. I do show them all at the end. To make the glitter mix, all I did was add a little bit of the glitter into the cooking gel and stirred it around. I don't think it matters how much glitter you add. I'm sure it's possible to add too much and then it won't cure, but just add as much as you want to. I added some more because I felt like the mixture was a bit too clear. I applied it 2 different ways. The first way was inside the swatch stick and the second time was on the other side of the swatch stick. When applying it to the other side, I realized that I was working a bit too fast and didn't look at it before I cured it, so I noticed that I had some bumps. The bumps weren't too crazy, but if you're someone that likes a sleek and smooth finish, I'd recommend buffing it, or you could also just top coat it, or actually use their Wonder Gel because it is thicker and it will hide some of that bumps. This is how it would look if you were to put it on top of your nail. This is the bumpiness I was talking about. It honestly doesn't even look bad, and that could be fixed with a top coat. And these are the other ones. I'm having a hard time picking a favorite. I can't wait to use that Ready Orange for a full set. These are the swatches for all the gel polishes, and I top coated all of them with that shiny gel top coat. And that is it for my ENAILCOUTURE haul. Let me know what was your favorite item. I have an AliExpress haul coming up, and I'm excited about that one because it's got some Halloween goodies in there. But if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.